Let us see what is happening with Nifty. After making a high about 22,500, Nifty is traveling in this channel and it is going downward. This is a descending channel. Many times we have seen that the channel are ascending channel. Ascending channel is an example. We'll see ascending channel example as this channel till here. As you can see, Nifty was going on progressing in this channel, right? So now after making a new high, it is in a descending channel over here right now. So few things triggered this downfall. One was SEBI action against the things that were happening in SME IPOs, and then there was instructions given to the mutual funds that there was some fourth building in some mid and small cap stocks. So they were asked to do the stress test. So there is nothing to worry for a long term investor. These things in a long term are good for the economy. On the macro level, US inflation numbers, which inflations were seen high, and now there is a threat, there is a fear that US might not cut the rates as early as July or so. So this is going to this has brought some weakness in Nifty, and you can see it traveling in the descending channel. Now, as you can see over here, after hitting the channel high over here on 24th March, it hit the channel bottom, and then it tried to rise from the channel bottom, but and it went about the 200 hours EMA, but it could not cross or it could not sustain about 200 hours EMA. Here again, it made an effort to cross the 200 EMA, but it could not cross. So, after multiple efforts of crossing 200 EMA and staying above it, Nifty could not sustain the progress. So, we are seeing it continuously going down in this channel further and further. How much down it can go? I see that the current level on the close of the Nifty is a place from where it can bounce, because there are multiple supports over here. There is this support of 21782. In addition to this, there is a trend line support also identified in the same range. So we can see a bounce in Nifty over here, and there is a mid channel resistance. Of course, it has to cover. Then there is another resistance at 21971, which will play an important role, and 50 and 200 EMA over here are together, mother and father are together, and they are opposing the child. So this resistance will be pretty difficult to cross. 22119, the range between 22056 to 22119 will be very tough to cross. But where is the bottom? So this is a potential bottom where Nifty is right now. If you can look at RSI is also near the, nearing the range from where it can turn around. If not from here, the next support level will be at 21663 or 21539. I see 21539 as a very strong support from where Nifty can make a comeback, if not from 21663 or the current levels. So the downtrend can continue for a while, but I see a reversal very soon. Now, if we forget the downtrend and look at the Nifty chart on a daily scale, we can see that on a daily scale, what is happening is the chart is still not bad, and Nifty is still in an ascending channel. So, what we can see over here, if we draw the channel on a daily chart, we'll see Nifty around this range. You can see how I'm using the parallel channel tool, and you can also use the same and make your own parallel channel, which will help you to make good guesstimates where Nifty can be in the. So on daily scale, you see Nifty is near the mid channel support from where it can bounce back. If this support is not accepted and Nifty falls further, the next potential bounce zone will be 21161 zone. Okay, So, and before that there is another zone from where it can bounce, that is 21524. So in all likelihood 21524 is the range from where Nifty can bounce back, if not from this 21731 range where we have mid channel support. But if 21524 is broken, then Nifty can fall to 21,000 levels also. Uh, 200 days EMA is 20474, which is also the channel bottom. So this seems to be the worst case scenario for Nifty. So I see a little more downside, just a little more downside, and then Nifty can bounce back from here. But if you see, if you are a long term investor, if you see, even if Nifty comes to this level and then when it bounces back, when it will bounce back, the channel top of Nifty seems to be about 23,000 now. So the further it will consolidate, the further it will stay in this range, higher the chances of channel top will be. So that's it, guys. That is for a swift analysis of Nifty and what has been happening on the micro and macro levels.